I'm great, thank you. Dari waktu aku bisa ikut ngobrol di podcast ini.
That's a good to hear. So today we're going to talk about an interesting topic. Can we live without the internet and AI? As we know, the internet and AI have become a part of our daily lives. Karena kita banyak menggunakan internet dan AI ini untuk belajar, terus bekerja, berkomunikasi, mencari informasi, bahkan untuk bisnis dan entertainment. Nah, karena hal inilah banyak orang yang penasaran apakah kita bisa hidup tanpa internet dan AI. But before we get into our main topic, I'd like to ask you a simple question, Aul. What do you know about the internet and AI?
Nah, in my opinion, the internet is a technology that can connect people around the world. Nah, dia juga bisa bantu kita kayak help us access information or communication. Nah, karena internet tuh kayak buat semuanya jadi lebih cepat dan lebih mudah. Terus sedangkan kalau misalnya AI atau artificial intelligence itu tuh teknologi yang perform test but usually require human thinking. Kayak ngasih jawaban tentang suatu pertanyaan, ngasih rekomendasi, ataupun ngasih ide-ide. Karena kan sekarang banyak mahasiswa yang menggunakan AI buat ngerjain tugas atau nyari-nyari ide. Nah, jadi menurutku tuh between the internet and AI itu tuh sama-sama penting di kehidupan kita karena dia tuh bikin kehidupan kita lebih easier atau practical.
Wow, that's a really good explanation. I think most of us use the internet and AI almost every day. Nah, bahkan mereka itu menggunakan itu tanpa sadar gitu ya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. So, now let's move to our main discussion. Do you think that we can still live without the internet and AI?
Nah, I think we can still live without the internet and AI. Tapi menurutku, it would be much more difficult than today.
Why?
Karena sebelum ada internet, orang-orang tuh masih bisa study, work, or communicate with each other. Cuma bedanya tuh, everything took more time and effort. Karena kalau sekarang kan, kita kalau mau find information, itu tuh in just a few seconds ya. Kayak kelas online, shopping, ataupun talking to people from different places. Nah, belum lagi many students use AI to help them understand lessons, to get ideas buat tugas-tugasnya kan. Nah, jadi menurutku, if the internet and AI suddenly disappeared, many daily activities would become slower and convenient. Tapi kita tuh masih tetap bisa hidup kok. Nah, cuman itu tuh it would require a big adjustment because we are already so used to technology.
Oh, that's true. I think many people don't realize how much they rely on technology until they imagine living without it. Yeah. Okay, so my next question is, do you think the internet and AI help us more or do they make us too dependent on technology?
Nah, many people talk about it. Karena internet sama AI tuh emang help us more banget kan, because they make our daily activities easier, right?
Yeah.
Contohnya tuh ya kayak yang aku mention tadi, mereka tuh can make our lives easier and more practical. AI also helps us save time by answering questions or helping us with simple tasks. Jadi itu tuh emang sangat membantu, especially ya when we have a lot of work to do. Tapi I think some people have become too dependent on technology. Sometimes we rely on AI for everything tanpa coba mikir for ourselves. Misalnya langsung tanya AI without find the answer by itself. So I believe the key is to use technology wisely dan tetap gunakan kemampuan kita sendiri, not depend on it so much. Jadi jangan kebergantungan banget gitu loh sama AI gitu.
Oh ya, I agree with you karena internet dan AI itu sebenarnya sangat berguna, tapi kita harus tetap menggunakan itu dengan bijak agar kita tidak terlalu kebergantungan.
By the way ya, menurut kamu, which one is more important, internet or AI?
Okay, so personally, I think the internet is more important.
Why?
Because without internet, many online activities like communicating or studying or maybe finding information would be so much more difficult gitu. Karena AI is also helpful too, but it still depends on internet for many of its feature and service. So if I had to choose one, okay, I would choose the internet.
That's a good point. I agree that the internet is still an important part of many technologies we use today, including AI.
Nah, itulah tadi diskusi singkat kami tentang can we live without the internet and AI. Thank you so much, Aul, for joining us and sharing your opinion about the internet and AI.
Thank you juga ya udah undang aku buat datang ke podcast hari ini.
And also, thank you to everyone who listen to our podcast. And we hope you guys enjoy our discussion. Kalian juga bisa bertukar pendapat kalian tentang internet dan AI bersama teman-teman kalian, agar kalian bisa juga berbagi sudut pandang yang berbeda dan juga belajar hal baru. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
See you and goodbye everyone.